Hi, my name is Dia. Welcome to my YouTube video on how to make mask lanyards. We need necklace collars, cord and cap. We need lobster clasps.
Okay.
And we need some jumper rings. We need some pliers and a scissor. Step 1, you take a necklace and hold it like this. Then you take the scissors and cut it in half. Take a cord and cap. Place it on the table. And then put the necklace is piece at the end into it, and then and make sure it's lined up perfectly, and then use the tweezers and push it down. It just looks like this. And then you grab a small jump hoop. And then you open it. Then we assemble it. We put the lobster clasps up through the hoop, and then we close it. And then do it on the other side. And now we have 2 pieces.
Okay. Now,
And then you put the piece that cannot bend into the hole. And you open the clasp, and then you hook it onto the mask and do it the same side on the other side of the mask. And then you got it. It should look like this. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Like and subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Bye.